everyone, I'm Advocate Kia Rawat from Lexington Company. Today I'm gonna talk about decree. So I'll tell you in this session, I'll tell you definition and essential elements of a decree. So decree comes under section 2 subclause 2 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908. So here we define decree, the terms of a decree as following. It means the formal expression of an adjudication which conclusively determines the right of the parties with regards to all or any other matters controversies in the suit. Now, it shall be deemed to include deemed decree. First one is rejection of claim. Second one of the determination of any question within section 144 of this code. Now, what are the essential elements of a decree? Number 1, adjudication. Number 2, suit. Number 3, right of parties in controversy. Number 4, conclusive determination. Number 5 is formal expression. Now, I'll talk about one by one. First one is adjudication. It means judicial determination of matter in dispute. Such judicial determination must be passed by a court of law. Second, I'll talk about suit. Suit means civil legal action by one person against the other person to be decreed by court. Third, decree will given in a suit always. Decree will be given in a suit always. In this case, I'll tell you about one case which says Hansraj Gupta versus Dehradun Mesuri Electronic Tramway Co. Limited in the year 1933. The court defined suit as a civil proceeding which is instituted by the presentation of plain. If there is no decree, then there will be no decree. Right of a parties in controversies. Now I'll talk about the right of a parties. What all are the rights of the parties in controversy? Right of parties must be substantive right. And controversy means subject matter where with reference to which some relief is sought. Conclusive determination. Such determination must be final and conclusive as regard the court which passes it. Now, I'll talk about formal expression. Formal expression of adjudication. An adjudication shall be expressly formed. It means all the requirements of form must be complied with as given in manner to provide under Rule 6A 7 of Order 20 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908. Now, in my next video, I'm going to talk about the types of decree. What are the types of decree? For example, partial decree, final decree. I'll let you know about all the types of decree in brief. Till then, if you have any question regarding the decree and what are the essential elements of decree, do comment in the comment box. I'll let you know about it in brief. Thank you. Hope you like my video. I'll continue with the same topic in my next video very soon.